N.R.T. here, guys. So Oedro Car Parts sent me their 4,000-pound clamp-on 60-inch long pallet forks. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. It's just an unboxing video. I will be making an install video and testing video. There's that one. They send you a little assembly instruction. Get this box out of the way. So how these work is there's like a C-clamp type deal. You unscrew this, you slide this onto your bucket on basically any type of thing, tractor, backhoe, front end loader, skid steer, utility tractor, backhoe, anything that has a front bucket. And you loosen this till it fits on your bucket, you slide it all the way on, and then you turn this until it's tight. And I don't know how tight you want to get this. If you can't get it tight enough by hand, I say you can use like a piece of pipe on the end of this, and you can get it even more tight. But these are pretty heavy, so I think they're heavy built, and we're going to put them to the test. So huge shout out to Oedro Car Parts for sending this out. I'll put a link in the description to these. Go check them out. Go tell them N.R.T. sent you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by, everyone.